I'm Hillary. Today I'm going to continue our series on Christmas projects that my family and I have made for each other. These are projects to give you ideas for either Christmas or to put into your homeschool curriculum, or to just do some fun projects with your kids or grandkids. So my husband works in the audio-video industry, so he has access to a lot of really big boxes. So that's how we got a hold of quite a bit of cardboard. So we started to make things out of cardboard. So this video is going to be about our cardboard projects. We have a lot of them. I just took a few of our favorites. What we have right here, my husband made for our daughter. It's a house that can either be used with Barbies or with like the strawberry shortcake size dolls. Either of them work well with it. So he made a 2-story house, and he used jigsaw and a scroll saw to cut these different cardboard projects that I'll be showing you. And so it's 2 stories. We got these out of one of the packaging that came with his audio-video stuff. It sat on the corner of his stuff, but it looks like a chair for a doll, so it worked out perfectly. So we have the 2-story house, and we made a mattress out of some foam and some material that's glued on it. And then over on the side, turn to the side, you can see a slide they can walk on or they can slide down. And on this side, there is a deck made for the girls to play with, a deck that leads outside. And if you wanted to be a little more creative and take it a little step further, you could always paint this or put decorative scrap paper on it, whatever wallpaper, whatever works for you to make it a little bit prettier than just a box. So that was for our daughter. And then in a similar thing to that is this Hot Wheels garage that he made for our son. He found this on the internet and printed it out in color and then just taped it on this to look like a Hot Wheels sign. And then here's our 3-story garage for the cars. So they can drive up here and they can park in here. Or if they're going on the 2nd floor, they park in here. And then when it's time for them to leave, just come over here and go on to their city, which we have a Hot Wheels city over here. Our own do-it-yourself city. So again, the base is cardboard. And we found some streets that are just tape. My oldest son made this for my youngest son. And then he made some buildings to go with it. And the buildings are made out of the foam board. You can find that at the dollar store or pretty much any craft store. Here he made a bank. This is a police station where the police go, and then the jail for the jailed Hot Wheels cars. This is fun. He made a car wash. Notice there's grass, which is painter's tape. This is a car wash that he goes in this side and he comes out that side. All clean. And then this is just a house, and he put sandpaper here to make it look like sand. So that was a fun gift for my son. And then, if we go over here, my daughter likes to play with 18-inch dolls, either the American Girl dolls or the generic Our Generation or My Life dolls. And so she got for Christmas one year this doll shower. So you just take a box and you cut off the top part, and they put some bolts right here, and this is a rubber band. You can open up, put your doll in here, and the shower head is made of a PVC pipe and then a bowl that is hot glued onto here. And then you just put your doll in here. Put it in here. Well, I put the rubber band on there. And then she can take her shower. So here we are in my oldest daughter's space. She loves the ocean. And so my youngest son, who was about 6 or 7 at the time, made her some cardboard dolphins. So here they are. Here's some cardboard dolphins that he made. They're about 6 inches long. And he cut some slits right here to put the fins in. And he colored on them to give them their own unique look. And then when she put them all together on her bed, it kind of looked like a garland that went with her ocean setting. Here is a bird that my husband made for our daughter, and he weighted it so that it gives it the effect that it's flying. My husband has a YouTube channel called Mason's Innovations, and he'll put how he made this on there eventually. But you can go on there to find out how he made a cardboard skee ball and how he also made a cardboard Death Star. I have one more project to show you. And that's this cardboard Snoopy plane that he made. You know, sometimes Snoopy's the Red Baron. So he made this plane. It also has a working propeller on it. So he can put on there how he made this for you too. I hope this gives you some ideas for projects to do with your kids or to give to your kids. Thanks for watching.